ditching the glitzy live streams for an exclusive, mysterious experience in New York City March 4th, and the rumors are absolute fire. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Forget needing to have $1,000 to get an Apple product. Tim Cook is reportedly preparing to blow the doors off the budget market with a colorful, ultra-cheap MacBook aimed straight at students and penny pinchers. That's right, a Mac will finally fit in your budget. Insiders say a new 13-inch laptop's coming in hot, with iMac-inspired hues like pink, yellow, and blue, and it's hitting the shocking $600 to $700 price point. Apple's reportedly swapping M-series chips for iPhone A-series processors and ditching the backlit keyboard. But don't worry about cheap plastic. New tech means you still get that premium aluminum feel for a fraction of the cost. But if you have a need for speed, the M5 chip is taking over. Expect the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros to level up to the M5 Pro and Max Silicone, leaving the M4 in the rearview mirror. Meanwhile, the base iPad is finally getting an A18 brain drain, bringing Apple intelligence to the masses for emoji-generating chaos. But don't expect Apple to drop a foldable iPhone or a Super Series just yet. While a foldable handset is looming for late 2026, and a smart home hub with Face ID is in the works too, software delays mean Siri is still playing catch-up. So mark your calendars for Wednesday, because this isn't just an event, it's the start of a massive product line that could change your tech setup without killing your savings. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.